Today we will be briefly running through what we are able to offer, along with a couple of case studies. Our team fully understand the importance of matching polymers to individual application. With advanced machining capabilities in-house and multiple bonding techniques, we are able to competitively match solutions to your requirements. As all of our fabrication is done in-house, we are home to highly skilled individuals whose expertise is in making the impossible possible. By sharing our experience, we are able to assist you when designing components and systems to ensure great choices are made on materials, manufacturing process and usability. Our range not only covers standard tanks and vessels, but also encompasses some of the less common products like open-top effluent vessels, grease interceptors and acid pickling tanks, to name just a few. Our advanced manufacturing capabilities allow us to engineer intricate products into virtually any specification. Computer-controlled machinery combined with skilled craftsmanship ensures that each and every product is precise. With an abundance of stock sizes, we are able to machine components cost-effectively by minimizing waste. This also enables us to provide a turnaround time difficult to compete with. We believe in forming great partnerships with our clients. This paves the way for own branding opportunities and contract manufacturing. Peace of mind that your products are going to withstand the rigors of the industrial world and that your designs are safe is paramount. That is why we provide an account manager for each of our partnering clients. Whilst quality around the world has been eroded in recent years, we are proud to be supplying the military and have maintained our partnership through our excellent quality and superior service levels. If you are needing advice when planning your next project, we have in-house expertise in delivering effluent treatment plants. Whilst we do not install, our in-depth knowledge of how a plant comes together puts us in pole position for assisting you at design stage. We appreciate your interest in Xeroko and would greatly appreciate the opportunity to work with you on your next project.